Hello, hey guys, this is Usman, and this is the second video of Java NetBeans project. In this video, we will see something changes, how to change colors, labels, text area, and buttons. So, how to change some. Then we will write the edit text, okay, login name, but there is complete functionality of all components. Let's select the login, and here is enable all components functionality like background color, font color, foreground color, all of these. Okay, let's change foreground color. Okay, let's click red color. Okay, something red. Okay, now this is a show the login color is red. Okay, password color, login color, select this and select red button, red color, and okay, and it is showing login and password is in red color. We can change the text area background color. Just to put background color is showing white, but if we want to change just like gray color, some choose different something, just like this. Okay, this change background color of the text area. Okay, so this is something functionality of this component. Let's undo all this. Okay, label colors selected रहने देते हैं. Now we can change the buttons color, button component, buttons. Here can change the continue text area. Okay, select here and continue. I did skip the N. Okay, so because of this I want to show you something by panel. Okay, so this is here continue properly. Now we can change the continue color, text color with just like green color. Okay, this is a change continue button. Okay, so we can change almost here functionality. Okay, so this is a small little bit I'm telling you how to change the functionality, how to change the color and etc, maximum size, minimum size, module, so all of things available here. Okay, you can select and you can use all of these actions. The events here available. Okay, binding and code is available. So these are properties of these buttons. Now we will see how to perform the action listen on the continue button and the exit buttons. So first of all we will click on continue, right click on continue button. Okay, there is available events. So we have lot of events here: action and anchor, change, component, container, focus, mouse listener, key listener, item listener, module wheel. So in this video we will see how to perform the action performance. So action listener we will use on the continue button. Right click. Yeah. So here is the command of action buttons. Okay, this is the private void java.awt.event.action.event evt. Okay, this is a library of this class. We can here write anything as you performed on the continue button, and we will create, move to design and right click on exit button and events, action. So we have another B1 and B2 button. Okay, button 1, button 2. So on the continue button we will show you to open the another frame, how to perform continue button. Then we click continue, it will show the another frame. Okay, let's create another frame. First project, right click. Yeah, so we have here default query login page, and right click, new, jform class. So here you select the name of home page. Home page. Okay. So let's simple home page. This is the name of second form home page. Let's finish this. Here another form is home page. So let's see the source code of this frames. Okay, this is a new homepage dot set visibility tool. Okay, so let's move to design, and here we will show the one message labels. Okay, right click, edit text. Hi, this is a home page. Okay, and now change the font size. That's 18. Okay. Mm. Now I will show you. Then we will click the continue button. It will show the second home page frames. Okay. So now select the home page and go to source code. Just okay. Select this and copy this. Control C. Login page, and this is the J button, and Control V, Control S. Okay. Now then we will click the source continue button, so it will show the another frame home page. Let's run this program. It will take a few seconds. Then it first time can compile the program, so it will take some times. After some second time, third time, it will not take more time. Okay, we have this form. Okay, login and password. Still we don't have connected the database with the project, so I'll show you how to perform this only. Let's click the continue, and then showing that this is a home page. Okay, then we'll click continue to show home page. This again. So this is a little bit designing perform button, continue button, how to perform exit button. Let's show you how to okay form. Okay, now on the button white button 2. This is a button 2. Okay, now here we will write the code. First of all, we will show option pen J option pen dot show message. Okay, so first of all it will show you the message dialog box. Okay, message dialog DIA so DIALOG dialog. ठीक है. Sorry. It is done, and now we will show how to perform the message here. In this string you will show uh, anything as you want to message. Are you sure to quit this? Quit this. Okay, this is a message. Continue. So this is a small message for this, and now we will close the just like system 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 dot exit uh, task 0. Okay, let's remove this error. This will take catch in package J option pen. I think we should show something error cap मेरा J option pen dot show message dialog system dot exit to. Okay, let's see what is the answer. Import javascript option pen. Okay, इसमें हमें लाइब्रेरी को इंपोर्ट करना पड़ेगा. उसके बाद first of all we need to import the library option pen, then it will remove the error. J option pen, enter. What is showing? J option pen dot show message in dialog. This is sorry, here is error. Okay, so all of these errors have removed in this project. Let's control S. So you have to something patience. You need to patience because we are making live project. So something errors will be show, and we are reducing the error, resolve the error on by online videos. So please take something time to perform this. Okay, and again one continue. Okay, this is a home page and exit, then you will click. So this is show the message pop-up box. Are you sure to quit this? Okay, then you click the OK. That will quit the all of forms, main forms, login forms and another forms. So this is something login form information, how to design changes with the help of properties, and how to perform the action listeners, button 1, button 2, and how to call the another frames with the help of continue button, and how to quit with the help of this pop-up message with the help of this. So let's see how to connect it with the database login button. Let's meet in the next video. Okay, bye bye.